Picture this. It's a hectic evening and your family craves a satisfying meal. You're dreaming of crispy chicken wings paired with perfectly roasted potatoes, but the idea of managing multiple appliances or cooking in batches feels daunting. Enter this Ninja DZ401 Foodi 10 Quart 6-in-1 DualZone XL 2-basket air fryer, a kitchen marvel that cooks 2 dishes at once with different settings and has them ready together. This isn't just an air fryer, it's a culinary game changer for busy families, entertainers, and anyone who wants quick, delicious meals. In this 100% original review, we'll explore why the Ninja DZ401 is a kitchen essential. From its cutting-edge DualZone technology to its massive capacity, we'll cover its features, benefits, and real-world performance to help you decide if it's your next must-have appliance. Optimized for SEO with keywords like Ninja DZ401 Review, DualZone Air Fryer, and Best Air Fryer for large families. This review is crafted to captivate and convert while delivering genuine value. Let's dive in. What makes the Ninja DZ401 special? The Ninja DZ401 redefines air frying with its 10-quart capacity and dual basket system, making it ideal for preparing large, varied meals without the sequential cooking of single basket models. Perfect for family dinners or game night gatherings, it delivers speed, versatility, and healthier cooking with up to 75% less fat than traditional deep frying. Its standout feature is DualZone technology, offering 2 powerful modes, Smart Finish and Match Cook. Smart Finish synchronizes cooking times so 2 dishes, prepared with different temperatures and methods, finish simultaneously. Match Cook duplicates settings across both baskets for full 10-quart meals, ideal for crowd-sized portions. Paired with IQ Boost, which optimizes power for ultra-fast cooking, this air fryer is as intelligent as it is efficient. Highlighted features for effortless cooking: dual 5-quart baskets. Cook a main dish and side at the same time, like a 6-pound whole chicken in one basket and roasted veggies in the other, eliminating wait times. 6-in-1 cooking functions: air fry, air broil, roast, bake, reheat, and dehydrate offer endless possibilities, from crispy wings to homemade jerky or fresh-baked cookies. Smart Finish technology: set different cooking modes for each basket, and Smart Finish ensures both dishes are ready together, simplifying meal coordination. Match Cook mode: perfect for parties, this feature syncs settings across baskets to cook up to 8 pounds of chicken wings or other large batches uniformly. Broad temperature range: 105 degrees Fahrenheit to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. From low heat dehydrating to high heat air frying, it handles diverse recipes with precision. Hassle-free cleanup: non-stick baskets and dishwasher-safe crisper plates make cleanup quick and easy. Healthier results: enjoy crispy, golden foods with up to 75% less fat than deep-fried alternatives based on tests against hand-cut fries. Family-size capacity: the 10-quart capacity easily serves 5 to 6 people, accommodating 2 whole chickens or 6 pounds of fries. Why choose the Ninja DZ401? Here are the key advantages that make it a smart buy. Saves precious time, DualZone technology, and Smart Finish let you cook full meals in one go, cutting prep time significantly. Healthier, flavorful meals: achieve crispy, restaurant-style results with minimal oil, supporting healthier eating without sacrificing taste. Ultimate versatility: from daily dinners to party spreads, its 6-in-1 functions and large capacity handle any culinary challenge. Who should buy the Ninja DZ401? This air fryer is tailor-made for large families, easily feeds 5 to 6 with mains and sides cooked together for balanced meals. Time-pressed cooks: simultaneous cooking and easy cleanup save hours in the kitchen. Party hosts: Whip up large batches of appetizers or meals to wow guests effortlessly. Health-focused foodies enjoy fried favorites with less fat, making healthy eating enjoyable. Why you should act now. With holiday gatherings approaching, the Ninja DZ401 is your go-to for stress-free entertaining. Its 4.7 out of 5 rating from thousands of reviews highlights its reliability and customer love. Whether upgrading your kitchen or gifting it, this air fryer offers unmatched value for busy, flavor-focused households. Final thoughts. A kitchen essential. The Ninja DZ401 Foodi 10 Quart 6-in-1 DualZone XL2 basket air fryer transforms meal prep into a fast, fun, and flavorful process. Its dual basket design, smart technology, and versatile functions make it a top pick for families, entertainers, and health-conscious cooks. The minor learning curve and space requirements are easily outweighed by its time-saving, delicious results. Ready to revolutionize your cooking? Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.